Another new product from Garland is the Garland Cuisine heavy duty line. It's been totally redesigned to make it to look more European looking. We have a brand new standard custom belly bar with a matching custom door handle. European style knobs, custom flue guards. We went to a powerful 35,000 BTU lift-off burner head, so you get that maximum power, and if by chance you need more power, we can do it in a 4-burner at 40,000 BTUs. We have also concealed all the top pilots underneath the burner grates, so this way they cannot clog and they'll light your burners every time. We finished out the lineup with a full floating plancha, 3-sided plancha grill. If you're looking for that a la plancha product on your menu, we can now offer it. We then go to a French fried hot top, which is one of my favorite pieces of equipment. We then go to a pasta cooker, and then we can round out the line with salamanders, broilers, fryers, anything you would need in a heavy duty cooking environment. And as you know, our oven doors are the best in the industry, so feel confident when you talk about Garland.